Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain about WeBargain reviews from United States. Let's see whether this website is a legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. So friends, this website is the best way to find the liquidation goods from the top retailers worldwide. So here the goods are either been returned to a retailers or the goods the retailers no longer wanted. The prices are generally 70, 80 and 90% off MRSP retail. So you can need to get the profit by learning how to resell it. So you can build a profitable business by selling liquidation goods. So here all the items are the reverse supply chain, that means customer to the store or a warehouse. You need not have business license to purchase it. So let's see what this website is offering to the customers. Here you can see the new wholesale boxes and new pallets. In wholesale boxes, you can see Premium Amazon Return Wholesale Box, Premium Amazon Return Wholesale Clothing Box, along with their prices. In new pallets, you can see Lowe's Return Hardware, Outdoors and Tools Wholesale Pallets, Target Return General Merchandise Wholesale Pallets, along with a reasonable price. You can also see those products by visiting their official website. So friends, let's see the payment option. They accept Apple Pay, Google Pay, MasterCard, Visa, etc. Let's go to the shipping policy. It is, if you go in the FAQs, they ship usually 3 to 5 business days and pallets are shipped through UPS freight between 3 to 8 business days. They charge $250 per pallet. So let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints. Before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website is a scam or a legit website. So this website is protected by HTTPS, that means the payment way is safe and secure. It is registered on 26 February 2020 and expires on 26 February 2021. So it's a quite new website. So let's check the About Us page. So in About Us page, they empower access to the best quality merchandise on a consistent level. So your purchase includes access to the dedicated account executive who will not only find the right items for your business but also guide you and train you to help to take your business to the next level. They also say that pickup and shipping is simplified. So let's check the contact address. So in contact address, they have given the phone numbers along with the physical address and working day times and along with the email ID support@webargain.com. So let's see the social media presence. It is present in Facebook and Instagram where the website is quite active. So let's go to the return and refund policy. So in return and refund policy, all the sales are strictly final, no returns and no exchange. The items may be new, used, broken, missing parts, and they don't guarantee any items of any pallet, no matter what the box says. So let's see the customer reviews. The customer review page is not shown in the website, but if you Google it, you can see this website achieved 4.2 rating. That means it's a good rating. Most of them are liking their services and few are complaining that this website is a scam and they have not got what they wanted. Some of the items were damaged and completely different from what they are, and few viewers are very happy by selling the items. So I can see the content quality is fine. There is no spelling errors. There is no duplicate images. So friends, based on the above discussion, this website is a quite suspicious website, but I request you all to do your own research effectively before investing any money or any selection on this website. So friends, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all the comments over every video, so keep commenting. And please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe.